Hello viewers, welcome back to my another video. Do you want to know how you can delete your duplicate pictures and videos on your iPhone? With that iOS 16, Apple introduced new features on your photos which says duplicate. With that features, you can merge duplicate pictures and videos just in one click. So, today's video is about how to delete duplicate photos and videos on iPhone. First of all, you gotta make sure that you are actually updating with iOS 16. Otherwise, you wouldn't be able to use these features on your iPhone. First, you have to tap on your Photos application. Tap on your albums. Then scroll down and tap on duplicates. If you tap on there, it will show you all those pictures and videos that you have here. If you want, you can merge them one by one or you can do it all. So if you just want to merge one by one, then you can simply tap on merge. And then you can tap on merge to duplicate and the picture will be merged into an one picture. To choose all the picture at once, then all you need to do, you want to tap on select and tap on select all. Go ahead and tap on merge. In order to merge all of your pictures and videos on your iPhone. So, this was today's video. If you like the video, please like, comment, share and also subscribe to Apple Info YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.